Okay, in this video we're going to look at perfect square trinomials a little bit. The first two examples here are just sort of warm-ups to what we ultimately want to do and factor the perfect square trinomials. Here we're just finding C to make these trinomials perfect square. And if you notice, the A here is 1, B is 16, and of course we want to find the C here to make that the right number. All you need to do is take half of B, and then whatever that is, square it, and that will give us whatever C is. So in number 1 here, if you take 16, cut it in half, you get 8. 8 squared is 64. That tells us what C is for that example. Look at this example. The B number is negative 22. Cut that in half, we get negative 11. And then you need to square that to get C to be a positive 121. Alright, now those two examples just kind of warm us up to what we ultimately wanted to do here, and that is factor perfect square trinomials. So we got 3 more examples here. Now, perfect square trinomial and factoring, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, that's the formula. It's just a matter of figuring out what a and b are, and if you're told it is a perfect square trinomial, it will always factor to this quantity a plus b squared. Now, we could have the exact same thing, except it could be minus 2ab plus b squared. If that's the format, the factorization is simply a minus b quantity squared. So let's try this out here. Look for, on number 3 here, x squared plus 18x plus 81. One of the hallmarks of a perfect square trinomial is the first and last terms being perfect squared, meaning you can take the square root of them. So if in this problem, if a squared is x squared, think of the a term as just being x, and here think of the b term as just being 9, because 9 squared is 81, x squared is x squared. Given that, we can safely factor this as a plus 9 quantity squared. So as long as you know the formula, it's a fairly easy way to factor. Alright, let's try it again here with number 4. Look at your perfect square here, perfect square, 289 is a perfect square. The square root is 17. Notice the format though. This time there is a minus, so it's going to follow the formula x minus 17 quantity squared. That's how number 4 factors. Look at number 5. Look at our perfect square here at the beginning, perfect square here at the end, square roots being 3 and 2x. We can use that to factor effectively 2x plus 3 quantity squared. And there's perfect square trinomials. Thank you for watching.